Today's video is actually based on a viewer request to get some ideas for how to make it easier to install and remove wheels from a vehicle, particularly heavy ones like this big wheel off of this Ford Bronco here. So we're going to show you a couple things that are going to help with that. And the first thing to know is that if you're going to be lifting the tire to put it in position, most likely you're doing it wrong. So the idea of picking up the tire while you're kneeling down like this and picking up the tire, that's the last thing you want to do. That is the worst thing for your back that you can possibly do. And you're going to hurt yourself eventually if you do it that way. So if you're not going to be using any tools to assist you, this is a better way of doing it. All right, so the easier way of doing this is to line up the tire as best you can and then get it onto your knees and then just use your knees to settle it into position right there, like that. And that way you're not using your back. It's a much easier way. Now, it goes without saying, you never do this method unless the vehicle is on a lift like this one is, or if it's on jack stands. You never do this if you're stuck on the side of the road and the vehicle is only supported by the jack. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Now, if you're doing this all the time like I am, and also you're old like I am to the point that even just sitting down like that and getting up again is kind of a chore, you might want to consider something like this. This is a tire jack. It's, I would never be able to pronounce that, CGENWDCH something. We'll put a link to this exact tool in the video description. And what this allows you to do is you set your tire on this tool here. It's got this nice roller set up like this so you can very easily spin the tire into position to match with your lug studs. And then you just simply use your hand or your knee to lift the tire up and you can roll it in position very easily. So we're going to give this a go here. All right, we're just going to set that under the tire. Roll the tire into position. I'm going to wheel it right in front of the studs. We can now spin the tire, get our studs so it looks like they'll line up pretty close, lift it up, and just push it on just like that. That's it. You can also do a different method with this. We could move it in position, line up the studs. You could also use your knee if you wanted, and that gives you both hands to rotate and position the tire. You could do it that way as well. Also, of course, this is pretty handy for removing the tire. If you're going to remove the tire, you won't want to use your knee because you can't back it up, but just remove the tire, that simple, and then wheel it off wherever you need to. Now, keep in mind, this tool is just a wheel jack. This is not a wheel dolly. So this is not the tool for if you wanted to move tires around the tire shop or bring them into the work area or something. This is strictly for just lifting the tire into position or removing the tire. Now, a couple other things here. European cars very often will not have these wheel studs like this, and there will actually be bolts that go through into the hub, and those are particularly challenging because once you get the tire in position, it's not going to rest there. So that's where this kit comes in. We'll put a link to this as well. And this is a 10-piece wheel stud alignment toolkit. You just find the appropriate stud threads and you'll thread them into the hubs on your European vehicle, and that gives you some points to mount the tire on and align it and keep it in position until you get your bolts started. So this is also a very good back saver as well. And the best part of the tire lift tool is it exactly matches my Billet Tools work stool, so that's kind of nice too. All right, this was sent to us by the company for the purpose of this review, and we want to thank the company for providing it to us.